22nd question, and the 22nd question is with reference to religious history. धार्मिक इतिहास के संदर्भ में पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है ये. तो क्वेश्चन में क्या है? We have three statements and we need to find out which one of the following is are correct. तो statements एक बार पढ़ते हैं. Sthaviravadins belong to Mahayana Buddhism. Loktaravadin sect was an offshoot of Mahasangika sect of Buddhism, and the deification of Buddha by Mahasangika fostered the Mahayana Buddhism. See, बुद्धिज्म की अगर हम लोग हिस्ट्री को देखते हैं, कॉमन हिस्ट्री को देखते हैं, तो देवर सेवरल काउंसिल्स जो बुद्धिज्म के बीच में बुद्धिज्म के अंदर हुई थी, और उसमें डिसाइड हुआ था कि बुद्धिज्म में क्या क्या हम लोग चेंजेस लाने वाले हैं, क्या क्या नए एडिशंस आने वाले हैं. वन सच काउंसिल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट काउंसिल वाज फोर्थ बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल, which was held during the time of Kanishka, and it was held in Kundalwan, which is today Kashmir. And in that council, it was decided that Buddhism, it was not decided, but the outcome of the council was that Buddhism was separated into two lines. First one was known as Mahayana, and second was known as Hinayana. Mahayana were the followers of Buddhism who practiced deification, जिन्होंने मूर्तियां बनाना शुरू करी महात्मा बुद्ध की, वो महायान बुद्धिज्म से हैं. Then we have certain sects within the Mahayana Buddhism as well, and similarly there is a Hinayana which adhere to the strictest practices of Buddhism, जो मतलब गौतम बुद्ध की खुद की टीचिंग थी, no deification, no idol worship, and all the strict principles mentioned in all three Pitakas, Sutta Pitaka, Vinay Pitaka, and Abhidhamma Pitaka, they followed them strictly, Hinayans. So these are the two major wings, and there are certain sects within the Hinayana as well. Now the question one asks that Sthaviravadin belong to Mahayana Buddhism, which is incorrect. We'll see that. And Lokottarvadi sect was an offshoot of Mahasangika sect of Buddhism. And from here, deification of Buddhism fostered by Mahayana Buddhism. So यहाँ से थर्ड स्टेटमेंट ये तो पता चलता है इस एक्सप्लेनेशन से कि महायान बुद्धिज्म के कारण ही डिटिफिकेशन होना शुरू हुआ, तो कम से कम थर्ड तो सही है. ओके, let's see the answer and explanation, and then we'll discuss the question in much detail. First statement is incorrect. Why? Sthaviravadins are not the part of Mahayana, but they are part of the Hinayana. See, Sthaviravadin or an offshoot of Sthaviravadin is Theravada. In Sri Lanka, this type of Buddhism is practiced mostly. Most people are Theravada. Okay, so first one was incorrect. Sthaviravadin or Theravadin is then it is the most orthodox school of the Buddhism, and their references can be found in as back in the Pali literatures. Okay, so statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 2 and 3, however, is correct. Are correct, sorry. When King Dharmashoka Kalashoka was reigning in Kusumpura, that is Patliputra, there arose a great schism in Buddhism on account of some controversial questions. When further such questions were discussed, there were two school of thoughts mainly, and one was Mahasangika and another was Sthaviravada. And Mahasangika gradually divided into 8 factions, that is Ek Vyavaharika, Lokottarvadika, and Bahusrutiya, and so on. So Lokottarvadina is a part of Mahasangika, and Mahasangika is in itself is a part of or offshoot of Mahayana Buddhism. So that's why statement 2 is the correct, sorry, statement 3 is the correct statement. You can find the references of the question in R Past 1, Chapter 9, and NCERT Class 12, Themes in Indian History, Part 1, and then this is Chapter 4 of thinker, beliefs and buildings, cultural development. Also, you can find out the references in Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary first year. Chapter 4, Jainism and Buddhism. You can go through these chapters and you will find much more details and explanation regarding these terminologies. So this was our 22nd question. Let's see the next one.